me on my toes.
10-second car.
10 seconds? You swear by it?
No doubt.
Hey, what's going on? Good morning. It is another beautiful day here in Colorado, and we are on our way up to see Kyle at Boosted Boiz. We have his shocks in the back here. We're taking them back up to him, and probably gonna get those installed. And then we're gonna stop by see Preston and Garage Idiot to pick up a new project and get on home. Well, we are back here at PFI. Let's go find Kyle and see what we got going down. I think he's supposed to be here already. Looks like he's got the Buggy up on some jack stands here. Well, synced up with Kyle here. Seems happy about the shocks, and we're gonna go ahead and get these things installed. We do have to charge with nitrogen. Unfortunately, the shop I get my nitrogen from is closed, so that was problematic, but we're gonna get them on, get them all set up, and see what we can figure out for mounting, make sure the reservoirs are all good, and should be good. Get this thing back on weight instead of jack stand. Well, that's one. Fits up here pretty good. Need to get another hose clamp on it, but that should do well. And he's got access right to the knob there. You can see what's going on. All right, that's two of them. Did find out that a little bit of rubbing. Might need to clearance that a little. Same thing with this arm down here, but it's nothing that can't be fixed. Looks good though. Two more to go. Do you want to roll this thing back a little bit to get to these, or?
I'll squeeze in there.
Yeah, you're little.
Get to 'em, yeah, I don't take up too much space.
We got the back one on, and couldn't help but notice our jack stand was hanging on for dear life up here.
Probably not the best time to hang out under there.
No. I don't even want to walk on this side. It'll squish me.
Touch it.
This thing looks rowdy. A lot of fun. So we got one more coilover to go. A little air in this tire, because when I let it down, all the air just came right out. It's pretty flat. I think they're pretty old. And that's four. Sitting a lot better now. You can definitely tell, even just from pushing on it, it's definitely a lot smoother now. But until he actually gets out, jumps, and does some tuning on it, we won't know. That'll be coming soon though. Need to get him down to the test track. Need to just preload a little bit, get some air in that tire, and this thing should be ready to mob. Sounds like some dyno action over there. You're not even moving that thing.
Before this was way more bouncy.
Here.
I don't weigh much, so.
Let's crank that one all the way in.
So all the way out is
Loose.
loose. Oh yeah.
That didn't even budge that time. Like I said, these have 100 psi in them, and once we get them up to 200 around there and start playing with it, it'll, yeah, I bet this thing's gonna land nice now.
Oh yeah.
Looks smooth. I literally thought you were gonna throw a backflip, man.
I'm not.
I was saying, wow, there we go.
Oh yeah.
That's all four. We still got to come up with his other reservoirs. You only used one of these, so we're gonna get another rubber stopper, get those squared up. But past that, looks good. I really like the black on the shocks though. It looks totally different.
Yeah, that turned out really good.
You gonna take it for a drive now?
Take it fired up. She still has that little misfire like I was talking about. So
Yeah.
I'm wanting to get that sorted.
That's close though. Is there no reverse?
There is, but it's just hard to get into.
Oh, okay.
The shifter's all bound up. I have to manually go back and click it into reverse.
Oh, okay. I was just curious. You were pushing it back, and I'm like, I wonder if it's not that reverse.
It's there, the shifter, you just can't do it from the shifter.
It's sitting pretty level though. It runs. You got brakes?
I just gotta pump them up a little bit.
It moves. Good start.
Yeah, it rolls.
Still missing the 2 nuts, but you know, can only ask so much. See how fast it's rebounding now?
Yeah.
Front might stiffen up a little, but like I said, proper pressure in there will help too. Safe to say, this thing needs new seats. Oh man, a lot of fun though. Just gonna just take it for a quick little test drive. He's got a bunch of tuning he's got to do. He said there's a misfire. Figure out what's causing that, but overall it's not in too bad a shape. Time to let it rip. Got this thing all ready to go, and he's gonna go test drive it now, and really happy with it. It feels great. I think the valving is spot on. We didn't mess with the valving when we rebuilt them. We left them the way they were. Just cleaned up everything, new seals, new O-rings, obviously new reservoirs, which they're doing a fantastic job. So I think he's grabbing Brent, and we're gonna let him tool around a little bit, drive it. You can drive a stick, right?
Yep.
Uh-oh, there we go. Sounds like a lawnmower. I'm starting to think that flip-flops were a bad choice today. Can't see?
What?
Can't see?
Yeah. So much wind.
Looks good. Looks stable. There's that misfire, yeah. No, it looks pretty stable though. Need to find a couple little bumps here. See if you can drive over this stuff actually. I think I'm gonna try and get him to drive right through here, hit that bump, and that bump. We'll see how the suspension does. Yeah, there's a couple good bumps here. Looks pretty smooth actually. Hello? Anybody home? Oh, nobody's in there. Expecting like a snake to pop out or something. Oh, it's actually all these prairie dog holes. Step in that, you'll break an ankle. Okay. Oh, he's a little far right. Little stiff on the left driver rear, but the front looked like it was soaking it up good. Go a little faster. Looks pretty smooth.
Yeah.
Go a little faster.
What?
Go faster.
Alright. I kind of want someone to get on mine.
You got your GoPro?
Yeah, can you get on this one too?
Yeah. It's like some Inception recording. Stand over here as long as he doesn't hit us. Definitely looks a lot better. You need to get some nitrogen in there though. You really don't want to run compressed air, but for this it's fine for now. There we go. How's it feel?
Pretty good.
Does it feel a lot different?
Yeah, I feel like it takes me way less aggressive.
Doesn't feel like it's throwing you out of the seat now?
Way more in the seat now. It's not bad. It's all funky.
Yeah, nice. Doesn't look bad. The interesting thing is the rear end actually looks too stiff.
Think so?
Yeah, it looks like it could be loosened up a bit. But again, when you're going a little slower, it's kind of hard to tell because just the way the energy's transferring.
Oh, it feels really good.
I could hear that misfire you're talking about.
Yeah, it pretty good. Oh, we're not going to go too hard on it.
Whee!
It's good though. I'm not doing nothing ridiculous.
Nah, it's not bad at all.
Shut her off for a second. Hit the power back on. I just want to make sure she's not getting hot. What's she at temperature wise? Oh yeah, she's a little over 210.
Alright, man.
Not too bad.
Oh my god, I could be out here all day.
Dude, it's fun.
It's just so smooth, man. I want to, if I was full strap to the helmet, I'd have it pinned forth and see how fast of a drift you could pull around this whole thing.
Oh yeah. Oh, and once we get all the nuts and bolts in it, probably too.
Alright, that thing is too much fun. It's such a simple little car. There's nothing much to it. I found a hole. Yes, these flip-flops were the world's worst decision for the day. Well, now that I've sufficiently pulled all the goat heads out of my flip-flops, I have many stab wounds. That was a bad choice. Bad choice. Joe's never gonna let me live this down. He hates flip-flops. But anyways, hey, we got a leak. I just saw there was something there. Make sure you know.
That's water.
Water?
Somewhere. Yeah.
Little drop. Well, at least you know it's coming from somewhere. Well, thanks for letting me rip it.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, my pleasure, buddy.
You're always more than welcome to come and make it whenever you want.
I'm glad to see this thing's tearing it up. Everything seems to be working right, but it'll be a little better once it's got the higher PSI nitrogen in there. But for now, for this stage, I'm very happy with it.
Yeah, it
feels good.
Feels really good. Get that misfire sorted out so we can actually.
It didn't. It wasn't lacking for power though. That's the wild thing.
Yeah. Like it's still the power's up, but there's even a little bit more without that misfire.
Maybe it's just a faulty coil or something. Something easy.
I went through and I was unplugging all the coils, and they all make it kind of sound like it's running one less cylinder when I
did
unplug
it?
So I'm not sure what it's doing. I almost wonder if it's just something.
Maybe a grounding issue. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not sure. We'll go through it and figure it out. I wanted to put a new ECU on it.
Oh, okay.
A tunable one, and then just kind of go through that.
So what's the next step? Just get it dialed in, or?
Yeah, get all the.
Should probably get an air filter.
Yeah, it needs an air filter. We need to make sure we have all the bolts in it. I want to get new seats and harnesses. And just button it up good enough for like a quick
yes.
out here. I was gonna hit some.
Everybody, seat belts. Oh my gosh, that's not even attached.
No, you're supposed to pull on this wire into these little tabs.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. We just don't have them.
We have survived death. I'm gonna have it. Is this a handbrake?
It's bad, but it's a proportioning brake for the front and rear, so you can, when you're in a wheelie, you can control it.
Yeah.
You can can send more to the one side or the other.
Oh, it's cutting brakes?
Yeah, or it's like
okay.
just hard turns.
Yeah, because like if you want to go left, you pull it so it locks up the inside and swings it around.
Yeah, so the diff just kind of swings it around.
Oh, okay. Okay. Felt a little stiff.
Yeah, that thing doesn't work.
That little guy is a lot of fun. Well, she's almost back. Better than ever. All right, getting out of here. I don't know how I'm getting out of here actually. I gotta figure this out. But I gotta get over to Preston's. We are a little late, but sorry Preston. So let's get over there. I am pretty confident that traffic is back to its normal, busy, annoying ways, because 25 was a parking lot. But I'm now at Preston's, so let's go check in with him. There it is.
Oh, I thought you put that. Oh! It is. They don't exist. Oh!
And no hood latch, so we have to strap the hood onto the fenders.
Did not know that.
Oh.
Why do you take those?
I don't know.
Surprise.
Yeah.
You have no hood latches.
Should probably just put that in the bed of the truck.
Yeah.
That would have been terrible, man, going down the highway.
I didn't know.
Oh, I must have forgotten to say.
Apparently. Yeah, I'll start it real quick.
Okay.
I guess I'll...
I can get those for you.
Yes.
I'm not, what is that?
It's from a washer.
It's
but
so
just-
shiny. That's stainless.
Yeah, I know. It's from the back of a washer, I think. And I was like, cool, we're going to throw it away. I'll use that for something.
Wait, I'll start.
Let it rip, dead chip.
Where's the key?
He's handing you the key. Oh my God.
Shut up! You had it last, you turd!
B word.
It's literally in his face.
Oh.
Why do I always have to beep around you?
The cables are not touching properly. Here, you start your machine.
Is that battery toast or?
It wasn't.
I just want to know if I should bother trying to charge it.
You might.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
You got anything in there?
Where's the exhaust dump?
Huh?
Is that exhaust dumping right there?
Oh, it just has the headers, the stock manifold.
But there is a manifold on it.
Yeah, there's a manifold.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Already?
Okay, I finally got turned around, trying to figure out how to get out of the back parking lot. This windshield is terrible. Well, it runs and drives, stops. That's better than 50% of the projects that come in. It could use a power steering pump. Oh shoot, I think I lost the hood. Yeah. Yeah, that was the hood. Well, it can't be any worse, I guess. Ah, it survived. It has no exhaust. I found it. So when I turned around down there and I came forward, I heard something. I guess it just slid straight off the front. And I didn't catch it. So when I came back up here, I'm like, wait a minute, where's my hood? Just putting some different rims on it. toasty on my toes.
10-second car.
10 seconds, you swear by it?
No doubt.
So we race for pinks, the black versus the red.
Deal. I can't drive though.
It ain't bad. It ain't bad, that shape. Needs a wash. Like, really needs a bath. I might pull it through a car wash on the way home.
I like it.
Well, there it is, folks. Got a new project. We're gonna clean this up. Taking me back like 20 years since the Honda days. But overall, the body's not in too bad a shape. A couple little rust spots. We'll figure that out, get cleaned up, and it's got a dent here. But honestly, that looks like it'll pop right out. Runs, drives. Yeah, I just want to clean it, see how it looks all cleaned up, and we'll kind of get an idea of the direction. Looks like this wheel is actually bent, so might need some new wheels. We'll cross that bridge later. Right now, we just want to get it cleaned up and get it running good and kind of go from there. Then we'll do some basic stuff to it. Definitely gotta get some NRG seats, belts. And then engine-wise, I do have a buddy that's giving me a K24. So we'll probably do a K24 with a 5-speed turbo. Oh, and we won't be doing a 20-foot exhaust either. Nope. Well, it's been a long day. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Gonna get on home, probably take this thing through a car wash, wipe it down, and get a little bit of the dust off from the shop. And then we'll kind of keep you posted what we're gonna be doing with it. So it's been fun, had a great time with the Boosted Boiz and PFI. That's like I said, that little buggy is fun, and this guy will be fun here once we get through with it as well. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, make sure you get subscribed. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and hit us up in the comments. Tell us what you think of these new builds, and hopefully these are going to be a couple things that excite you and kind of show off a little of the different aspects of all the motorsports areas that we are involved and like to do. So we're going to cover everything from off-road to drag and even one-day drift. So let's just have some fun and see what happens. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Fist bump for you guys.